Welcome back, beautiful people, into another video. In this video, we are going to deep dive into URL's structure, component, domain name, and protocol, and also how they work. So, guys, without wasting your time, let's start this video. Understanding URLs. A URL, Uniform Resource Locator, is essentially the address of a resource on the internet. It's how your browser finds and displays information. Component of a URL. A typical URL consists of several parts. 1. Protocols. This specifies the method used to access the resource. HTTP. Hypertext Transfer Protocol, that is standard for transferring web pages. HTTPs. Secure version of HTTP encrypts data for secure communication. FTP. Fast transfer protocol for transferring files between computers. Mail.to. Used for email addresses. 2. Domain name. Identifies the specific website or server. It's composed of subdomain. Optional part before the main domain. www.example.com. Second level domain. The main part of domain. Example. Optional part before the main domain. Top level domain. The suffix indicating the type organization. Example. .net, .org, .gov. 3. Path. Specific the location of the resource within the website is like the directory structure on your computer. 4. Query string. Optional used to pass data to the server. Example, search parameters. Fragment identifier. Optional indicates specific parts of a web page. Example, https www.example.com. Products, shoes, colors, and red size. Protocols. HTTPs. Domain name www.example.com. Path, products, shoes. Query string, color equal red. Fragment identifier, size. How URLs works. When you type a URL in your browser, the browser parses the URL to identify the protocol, domain name, and path. It establishes connection with the server using the specified protocol. The server processes the request and sends the requested resource back to the browser. The browser renders the receiving data, displaying the web page. So guys, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. Please subscribe this channel for more upcoming interesting videos.